Hello friends! I have the March JJ box here to show you. I am so excited. This has to be the best box ever. For real. Look what's inside of it. We have an Uplift Magnesium Stick featuring frankincense and orange oils. Yes, perimenopause. Hello. This has to be the favorite. This is Helio. This is a roll-on that features Helio Chrism oil, which is awesome for pain. And we have a Copa Calm Magnesium Spray featuring copaiba oil. So inside the box, you are going to get a little card. It says, self-care, giving the world the best of you, now not what's left of you. And then on the back, you will see the 3 items that you got in your JJ box for the month of March. And it will tell you a little briefing of what they are. But basically, this is a Helio magnesium roll-on. This is targeted to for relief. And has aloe, green tea, chamomile, seaweed. It's like on the go. It's great for repairs, restoration, that sort of thing. So this is an exclusive item. You cannot get this any other time. So be sure to get your March box. Next, we have this Uplift Stick, which is one of my all-time favorites because this is a mood booster. This has the frankincense oil in it as well as orange. So definitely both oils very, very uplifting. All the while, we're getting our magnesium. Last but certainly not least, your magnesium spray. This has the Zen because it has our copaiba oil in it, ylang ylang, sweet orange, lavender, and chamomile essential oils. It has your magnesium in there. This is great to relieve stress, tension, and promote relaxation. So who is ready to get your JJ box? I am happy to assist you with your order. You don't want to miss this because exclusive, my friends. Ask me how to get free shipping on your box.